So yes, if you are like me, you feel always calf pain when you run. Yes, today I'm going to share tips on how you can relieve yourself on here, on this calf. So what you're going to do, let's check it out. Aha! Okay, so what do you need is that you just need a tool, plaster, or one is enough already. So then the next thing is that you need to sit down. Okay, you need to sit down. Of course, you need to sit down. So the idea here is that because most of the time when we are running, we're straining a lot on your here. So probably due to like this one, this is a very good example here. Please learn this and then don't repeat this mistake. And here, there's some gap here. So you see this gap here, that time I was trying to stick here, and then after that the thing starts to like become different already, and it actually tore apart some part because the shoes are designed, everything is designed to be balanced. So sometimes this part is too tight, and then the other part will tear off wherever is the old one. So yeah, after I run, then this one also tear off again. The time already stick, now tear off again. But never mind. So so some of us, like maybe for those of you I know who are really not so much fortunate enough, what you can do for yourself, even though with this shoe, this is just a lesson, yeah. So I like to injure myself, not to say really like to injure myself, but sometimes when I get injured, I will tend to find some other ways that I can do to fully utilize. So these are one of the method is that here, because as you know here there is a lot of pump, a lot of pressure hitting. So if you see the past few days ago, this video here, yes, that one is teaching more about the stretching. So you can do that before you run. And then this one, when you're running, if possible, get something like this, a plaster, and here, you stick it under here, where is your arch is, okay? And this one, you don't need to pull. Yeah, if you do not have this plaster, don't worry, you can get a kinetic tape. It's the same concept. So yeah. So here, just pull it on top. Okay, just pull a bit your skin. Just pull a bit and then go on top here. Okay, so one or so sometimes is enough already, but there's another one here, but I don't want to stick because nah, I will stick for your guys. My hair little all pink. And for your guys, I can do it. Okay, so here, what you can do, here is another one. You just stick roughly at the feet here. Okay, just fit here. And then the idea is to pull up your skin and your fascia and all your tendon, your muscle, whatever. Just pull it all up, put it all up, and then come to here. Okay, so from here, same thing. So this is also very effective for those who are maybe walking around, you feel here very painful, yeah, especially here, not heel spur, but here, around here. And you can do this as well for yourself. So yeah, okay, pull. So you just pull up here, just pull up, and then you just stick. Now your leg, when you see, when you stick your leg, right? Normally I will be very anal with this. So when you pull, try to be turning inwards a bit. So when you turn, actually what it does is that when you stick like this, okay, as you stick like this, there is some pulling back. So when you stick like this already, when it's pulling back already, then when you go down, there's some support here. So these are the ways that you can do for yourself. Some DIY tips that you can do for yourself, especially for those of you who are running and you're feeling here, the pain here. And here can cause up the pain up to your calf here because of the imbalanced muscles that you are not using. And also most probably using one side too much, you feel always pain over here. Okay, nevertheless, you can do this thing for yourself. Aha! So I hope you guys enjoyed for today's short DIY technique for your heel. Not your heel, somewhere around the tendon between your toes. But this one normally for those who are running marathon a lot, yes, you can help yourself. And also maybe those of you walking a lot and then you feel the pain over there. Okay, so If you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and also be sure to comment down below on what are the other things that you think that I'm feeling pain here and there, and then I will see whether I can help or not. I'll help you through this camera here. So, and also be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you will not miss out on all these good things I'm about to share for these 60 days. And I'm Eddie the Bone Setter. See you guys soon. Love you guys. Bye bye.